Trend rating is the result of strong passion and a dream to develop the best trend capture model for medium to long-term equity investors. Why the focus on price trends? Because getting trends right is the real key to better returns, regardless of any given investment philosophy. Our pattern recognition model is based on a proprietary self-adjusting algorithm that has been developed and massively tested on over 15,000 securities across 4 decades and has been live since 2014, delivering consistent accuracy. Our goal is to generate alpha in a measurable, actionable, and repeatable way. So why do most active managers continue to underperform their benchmark? And what can be done to resolve this? The main problem is subpar stock selection due to an overrated trust on fundamental metrics, based on decades-old practices such as value investing, and poor respect for actual price trends that may or may not correlate with the underlying fundamentals. The solution is filling this intelligence gap with proven analytics that produce a more intelligent synchronization with trends. Another problem is the management of holdings, weighed down by bias and subjectivity, and held hostage by behavioral traps of human emotions. The solution is the adoption of model-driven, innovative data that facilitates adherence to the golden rule of investing. Let profits run and cut losses. Active managers can fight back and beat passive products only if they adopt advanced analytics and new data sources that can dramatically enhance any traditional investment strategy. A major benefit of adding trend rating data to an active manager's workflow is that it helps take advantage of the notion of performance dispersion. Capturing performance dispersion is a game changer, and this is trend rating's mission. Trends are happening in all markets regardless of the type of market cycle at the time. Equity markets display an incredible dispersion of performance, which we expose for our customers so that they can capture a large part of the top performers and avoid a large part of the bottom performers using our data. This allows active managers to outperform passive benchmarks that are simply relying on a mathematical combination of both winners and losers. Our data complements and strengthens the investment decision process and is an easy fit to any investment strategy, from style to factor-based. We developed a way to translate something very complex and sophisticated into actionable data via a unique rating methodology, simple to understand and apply, where A and B qualify bull trends and C and D identify bear trends across 17,000 listed securities on a global scale. We provide a unique edge where A and B rated stocks on average outperform those rated C and D on a 16 to 18 months horizon. The second level of intelligence is our Smart Momentum Score, which is a continuous metric that allows you to differentiate between securities of the same rating. The score measures the strength of the trend since that trend began, providing a second level of quality control. The third analytic, retracement, is the performance since the peak or trough from the rated-on date until the current day. This metric offers a robust risk control component that gives insight into securities whose trends are potentially exhausted. Fund managers already rate, rank, and measure fundamental and quantitative data, but they often lack a way to objectively assess the true direction and quality of medium-term price trends, despite the fact that trends are the key factor that impact investment performance for any style or philosophy. The ability to capture trends, profiting from bull markets and avoiding bear phases, is the key to superior performance on a consistent basis. Investors that have a good understanding and a disciplined respect for the specific price trend of securities outperform those that don't. Trend rating also provides alerts on key trend reversals via rating upgrades that spot investment opportunities and rating downgrades that flag new emerging risks, enabling a more effective portfolio management. Fundamentally driven portfolio managers can easily boost their strategies by overlaying an additional source of intelligence. By improving the understanding and respect of actual trends, fund managers can easily generate additional alpha. Additionally, customers can use trend rating to find new investment ideas via upgrade alerts, to overweight/underweight their existing holdings, or as sell discipline once they are alerted to downgrades in their portfolio. We also have a growing list of clients who use trend rating as an additional input into their own quant-driven models. To sum it up, trend rating easily fits with any investment process. Trend rating data is designed to rate the individual trend of any stock, but can also support an efficient, objective, overall quality rating for portfolios and basket of stocks. Portfolio managers typically use a common set of metrics to measure the aggregated risk-return profile of their holdings. This can include volatility, tracking error, Sharpe ratio, price earnings, and dividend yields. But what do these metrics tell about the expected performance? Trend rating introduced a more relevant metric with more predictive value about expected returns. A way to measure the portfolio exposure to stocks trending up versus those trending down. Trend rating offers a granular analytics structure via a rating grade, A, B, C, D, that includes pluses and minuses. This innovative metric makes it possible to quickly assess the aggregated portfolio synchronization with actual trends and the level of exposure in terms of risk. The higher the portfolio rating, the higher the expected return. The lower the rating, the bigger the risk to underperform. If a fund has a rating of B-, while the benchmark to beat is B+, the expectation to beat the index is quite low. Trend rating's focus is 100% on trend valuation. We invented a disciplined, objective, well-proven way to rate trends, filling a critical gap in market intelligence. Our data is an easy and powerful overlay to any investment strategy or style. The scope of the data and the global coverage of trend rating data makes our analytics widely applicable across the different segments of your clients, providing huge sales scalability. Successful investing is all about exploiting trends. It's really that simple. With the availability of trend analysis data and technology, forward-thinking fund managers adopting this intelligence will gain an edge in their investment decision process.